Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan Impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan Anti-Scale System is installed at the SDIS 61 Department of Fire and Rescue in Alencon, France. Established in September 2001, the SDIS 61 headquarters serve as the central hub for managing fire and emergency services across the Orne region. The Vulcan S10 model has been strategically installed on the water systems at the headquarters to effectively prevent limescale buildup, ensuring reliable and efficient water flow essential for emergency operations. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, cuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.